Hello kids, welcome to our channel Learn with Bhavishya. So kids, today our topic is S blending sounds. So let us start our class. This is letter G. It says G. This is letter L. It says L. When G and L comes together, it makes a new sound that is gl. Gl. So kids, let's learn some examples of these blending sounds. Gl, gl, glass, glass, globe, globe, glide, glide, glue, glue, glad, glad, glow, glow, glitter, glitter, glasses, glasses, gloom, gloom, and global, global. So kids, if you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.